Hey guys, Candida here. Today I want to take a closer look at the 7 wall art moose picture. First impressions matter, and this artwork delivers with a stunning depiction of a moose in a modern rustic style. I personally like the modern rustic style, and this has really added a little bit of life to the bedroom. So the detailed portrayal of the wildlife, it includes the majestic elk deer with big horns, and it just adds a touch of nature and rustic charm to any space. I have this in a bedroom and it added a little bit of that rustic charm that I am going for. And so with this one, the size really did not disappoint. It's a 36 by 24 and it becomes a captivating focal point in any room that you add it into. And so I like the fact that this really just draws in the room. I love the different dimensions here in the color and how it just all pulls it together. Overall, I've been very happy with this wall art, and I love the rustic look that it brings to the room to help pull my decor together. So I hope you enjoyed this review.